Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're looking at Hamilton's latest addition to its most striking contemporary line, the Jazzmaster Skeleton 40mm in Empire Green. This watch blends Hamilton's classic dress watch DNA with a modern skeletonized twist. The new model keeps the familiar Jazzmaster proportions, a 40mm stainless steel case, just 11.05 millimeters thick, sculpted lugs for a comfortable fit, and 50 meters of water resistance for everyday versatility. A sapphire crystal with anti-reflective coating up front and a transparent caseback at the rear frame the movement beautifully. The star of the show is that rich Empire Green dial. The saturated color intensifies the play of light across the cutouts, revealing the running gear, barrel, and balance wheel beneath. Applied nickel-plated indices and nickel hands with superluminova ensure the watch remains legible against the dark green backdrop. Powering the watch is the Hamilton H10S caliber, a skeletonized version of the Powermatic 80. It runs at 21,600 vibrations per hour, features 25 joules, a Nivacron balance spring, and delivers a full 80-hour power reserve. You can choose between a brown leather strap with a pin buckle or a stainless steel bracelet with a folding clasp. The Hamilton Jazzmaster Skeleton, 40mm in Empire Green, will be available from September 2025 for 1,195 Swiss francs or 1,375 euros on leather, and 1,275 Swiss francs or 1,375 euros on leather, 1,445 on steel. What do you think of Hamilton's bold new Empire Green skeleton? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more in-depth watch reviews.